What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today I want to go over how much I made on my YouTube channel. I got my YouTube channel monetized last month, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the revenue. Alright, so here we have the computer, my logo there. Go ahead and go to Studio. Alright, let's wait for it to load. Takes a while sometimes. There it goes. My computer's old. Give it a break, guys. Hopefully I can upgrade to something newer. My channel shakes off. It'll help me out so I can get me a new computer, and I won't have to record my videos on the phone anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this until this loads. Alright, so here with the analytics. Now my channel has 1,343 subscribers. I know that once you get your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, you get monetized. I was super excited. I thought I was going to be making a ton of money. Well, I mean, you know, a decent amount of money, not a ton of money. If my channel does explode, I mean, you know, I can make good money. And I wanted this video so you guys can see. You know, because everybody's like, oh, all you need to do is get monetized and you start making some good money. That is not the case. So I wanted to show you. This is the amount of subscribers I have, 1,343, and I've got my views for this month. Now, prepare yourself, guys. This is what I'm projected to make. $8.84. And I had to do a little digging into how YouTube would pay, because I didn't see a payment, and now I know why. You need to make at least $100 in that month in order for YouTube to send you a payment. So the good thing about that is that it'll roll over. So if I don't make $100, you know, within the next few months, they won't demonetize me or anything. It'll roll over into the next month and roll over until I hit 100. But if you're trying to make some money on YouTube through AdSense, you're going to need a lot more subscribers, for one, and you're going to need a lot more watch time. It's just a heads up, guys. I wanted to show this, I wanted to share it with everybody so they can see. I've had people ask me, hey, so how much money are you making? Well, this is the answer. Zero so far right now. But hopefully, you know, things will pick up. I also have a giveaway that I'm doing on the Nintendo DSi's. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. You can enter for free. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe on that video. And hopefully that'll, you know, help me out, and I'd be really happy with somebody winning one of those DS's. I did a raffle or giveaway last month, and Nicholas was a winner. Hopefully he enjoyed what I sent him. It was a Liquid Edition mystery box. So hopefully he likes it. And he also has entered into the next raffle, so that's cool. And that's it, guys. I just wanted to share with you guys what it was. You know, just keep pushing. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to try to get this channel going up. You know, maybe it'll explode one day. Who knows? But that's it, guys. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.